Well, it's in a wonderful location close to Disney and all the attractions, and it's in a little secluded area away from the main drive, so it's really special. You feel like you're in a resort, and we've got a lot of intimate spaces throughout the resort, from the waterfalls at the pool all the way over to great dining and pool bars and just great spaces throughout the entire resort. You're going to see just a wonderful opportunity to have a relaxing vacation. It's a fully renovated from an independent to a Delta hotel by Marriott, which is basically, it's simple made perfect. We want to get all of the simple things absolutely perfect for every one of our guests. That's extremely important to us. We want to get it right so that they can relax and enjoy themselves.